Let me show you how to place a photo into a frame in Photoshop. Start by enabling the rectangle marquee tool and select the photo. Then go to Edit, Copy, Merge. Create a new layer to work non-destructively. Disable the photo and the selection and go into Filter, Vanishing Point. Create a grid on each face of the frame. Once you create the first plane and adjust the points to match the perspective on this side. Next, press Ctrl V on Windows, Command V on the Mac to paste the photo and place and transform the photo on the frame. Press OK when you are done and change the blending mode to multiply, and this is my final result. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.